Hey guys, Amanda right here. Thanks for watching the channel. Finished pinning the crank and putting the clutch on, so now we're gonna install and get this party started. So stay tuned, and again, thanks for watching. So this is the block that was in the motor, the block that was in my Camaro before, just kind of holding up the transmission so it wasn't sitting on the ground. It was just an empty block that my motor guy had laying around. And I'm gonna actually make this into a coffee table. So that'll be fun to try and do. So we're just gonna take off my motor mounts and then put those on my motor, just chilling down here. And then we'll put it in. So yeah. And thanks for Cory for helping out. And of course, my boyfriend over there, Bradley.
See, what?
What?
We want this block.
It's on the ground for now.
Yeah, we can both pick it up and move it so you can just drop it.
Yeah, I don't think it was that heavy. Why did I say that?
It hit the ground? Holy Oh my god, it's not that heavy.
Where'd the other pin go?
The pin's right there.
Oh, the pin wasn't even in the thing?
It was in it.
You sure? Oh, it's shot out under my car.
It's right there.
We got it on video.
Why did the pin shoot out?
Because he let the weight up and it just went like that. you were right.
I'm startled like literally I was standing on it, holding the weight, and I was like, oh, no big deal, this should be fine.
It's not that heavy. As soon as you let the weight off. Oh my god.
Alright, well.
It's not because I
Chipped the ground in a couple spots I saw, but that's not it.
That's nothing.
That's hilarious.
Alright. I got you some green grease. Looks like this is the baby poo.
The baby poo? What do I got to do? Alright guys, so just a quick update. We do have the motor in, hallelujah. And we just got to button up a few things. We have to put the new spark plugs in and the boots on. And then some fluids. I think we were missing my starter nut, so we have to replace that. But other than that, everything else is in, went pretty smoothly. So yeah, here she is. Cannot wait to fire her up. Everything done on the motor, and we are going to attempt to start it for the first time. Fingers crossed. I guess we shall see.